Hi everyone, Dan here from Factory 5, here to talk to you about the 7.3 liter Godzilla Install Kit. Now we've come up with all these parts to make your life as easy as possible to put the Godzilla into your Roadster. It contains things like the air filter, the mass air tube, accelerator pedal bracket. We've got some engine mount spacers and adapters, throttle body adapter, and a couple miscellaneous parts of hardware and fittings as well. Now this is going to work for both your Roadster and your Type 65 coupe, and works well in addition with our header option that we have for both kits as well. For more information, go to factory5.com.